Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log in and access your CoinGecko account for beginners. In this video, I'm gonna use my smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this guide will help you through. First of all, download and install the CoinGecko application and launch it open on your smartphone. Once you're in the Market tab, click on Profile at the bottom right and look for the Login button to log into your existing CoinGecko account. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on Sign Up and follow through the sign up and registration process. To sign in and access your existing account, click on Login at the top left. Now, you can continue logging in with Google, Apple, or with your email. Just remember how you have previously signed up for CoinGecko. Since I've used email for my previous sign up, so I'm gonna tap on the Continue with Email option. You can choose any option that you used before. Now, if you've chosen email, write down your correct email address associated with CoinGecko. After you do that, click on Continue with Email. On the next page, type down your password associated with CoinGecko. If you don't remember the password, you can get help by tapping Forgot Password and following through the prompts. But if you remember your password, write it down in the text box correctly. Finally, click on Log In. And you have now signed in to your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your authentication app or email. You will now see your CoinGecko's Market tab. You can now track your crypto portfolio, prices, news, and alerts in real time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.